The next object we'll explore in Microsoft Excel is SmartArt. Unlike standard shapes and images, SmartArt allow you to create professional-looking diagram that visually represent information, processes, relationship, hierarchies, and workflows. Although SmartArt is available throughout the Microsoft Office suite, including Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook, it can also be a valuable tool within Excel when you need to present information in a more visual format. To insert a SmartArt graphic, navigate to the Insert tab and select SmartArt. In Insert, you have to select SmartArt. This opens choose a smart art graphic window which contains a wide variety of diagram categories, including list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid. Each category contains multiple diagram styles designed to represent different types of information. When selecting a smart art graphic, it's important to consider the purpose of information you're presenting. The most effective smart art diagram are those that enhance understanding and provide additional context to the data. For this example, we'll select a process diagram and choose the basic processing layout. Processes diagram are commonly used to illustrate a sequence of steps, stages, or activities that occur in a specific order. So I'll be choosing this one. After selecting the diagram and clicking OK, Excel inserts the SmartArt graphic into the worksheet. The diagram contains a placeholder text that can be replaced with your own content. You can either type directly into the SmartArt sheets or use the accompanying text pane to enter information. For this example, a simple process might consist of following steps. First is get a job, then second one is work, and third one is get paid. As the text is entered, the SmartArt graphic automatically updates to display the information in a clear visual format. Once the SmartArt has been created, it can be moved, resized, or positioned anywhere within the worksheet, simply clicking and dragging the object to relocate it, or using the sizing handles to adjust its dimensions. So actually, uh, like this can move it. So like other objects in SmartArt also includes formatting options that allow you to modify color styles, layouts, and visual effects. Smart art is one of the most effective most effective when it helps explain or reinforce information that may be difficult to understand through the data alone. Example include business processes, workflow diagram, organizational structures, project stages, relationship between concepts, step-by-step procedures. Before adding smart art to a worksheet, consider whether it adds a meaningful value to the information being presented. If the diagram improves understanding or provides useful context, it can be an excellent addition. However, if it serves no clear purpose, it may simply add unnecessary visual clutter. In this lesson, we learned how to insert smart art graphics into Excel worksheet. We explored the different smart art categories available, created a basic process diagram into custom content, and discussed how smart art can be used to visually communicate information. Take some time to explore the various smart art layout available in Excel. Each diagram type serves a different purpose, and selecting the right one can help make your worksheet more engaging, organized, and easier to understand. Thank you. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Today we learned how to insert and work with images and shapes in Excel to make our worksheet more visually appealing and professional. In the next video, we'll take things a step further by learning how to create charts and graphs to turn our data into powerful visual insights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.